The 5 waves of economic Armageddon. Why $110 oil is only the beginning.
Right now, the American economy is hemorrhaging $500 million every single day. Not per month, not per quarter. Every single day. And that meter is only spinning faster. Since the conflict between the U.S., Israel, and Iran escalated in late February, oil prices have exploded by 50%. The Strait of Hormuz, a narrow 21-mile artery that carries 20% of the world's crude and natural gas, is effectively paralyzed for the first time in history. Brent Crude has officially crossed the $110 mark. Just 3 weeks ago, it was $70. But the number you're staring at on the gas station sign? That's just the tip of the iceberg. There are 4 more waves of price hikes heading for your wallet, each one more devastating than the last. Most people won't see them coming until their bank accounts are already underwater. Your brain is actually wired to work against you right now. Psychologists call it mental accounting.
When gas prices spike, we get angry, but we pay.
We file it under annoying but manageable. But that mental filing is a fatal mistake. This isn't just about fuel. It's a chain reaction that is about to rewrite your net worth. Wave 1, the fuel shot. Diesel prices have surged 36%. Diesel is the lifeblood of the global economy.
It powers the 18-wheelers that deliver literally everything you buy.
When shipping costs go vertical, the price of the product on the shelf stops being about supply and demand and starts being about survival. Wave 2, the grocery crisis. This one is landing now.
Meat, dairy, produce, items that can't sit in a warehouse waiting for prices to stabilize. Retailers have been eating the costs of tariffs for a year. They have no margin left. Prepare for a vertical price jump at the checkout counter. Wave 3, the invisible kill, fertilizer. This is a time bomb. Fossil fuels account for 80% of fertilizer production costs. With the Middle East in turmoil, the world's top fertilizer producers are cut off. The crops farmers are planting today at record costs won't hit the shelves until September. By the time you feel this wave in the fall, it will be too late to prepare. Wave 4, travel and logistics. Jet fuel is up 85%. Airlines are already trashing their old pricing models. If you were planning a summer vacation, those tickets are about to become a luxury. Remember the rockets and feathers effect. Prices shoot up like a rocket when costs rise, but drift down like a feather when they fall. Even if oil drops tomorrow, your flight remains expensive. Wave 5, the interest rate freeze. Hopes for Fed rate cuts are dead. Mortgages, car loans, and credit cards are staying expensive or getting worse. When inflation shocks meet geopolitical chaos, consumers don't just spend less, they freeze. When millions of households stop spending simultaneously, it drags the entire economy into a black hole. How to survive the impact? Don't panic sell. Your instinct is screaming, get out. That is a trap. History shows that investors who flee to cash during geopolitical crises lock in their losses and miss the recovery. The market's best days almost always follow its worst. If you miss just 10 of the best trading days, your 20-year returns could be cut in half. Pressure test your safety net.
You need 6 to 12 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. In a chaos-driven economy, psychological security is your most valuable asset.
When you have a runway, you don't make desperate, expensive mistakes. Audit your spending now. Don't wait for all 5 waves to hit.
Cut discretionary spending today while it's still a choice, rather than waiting until it's a necessity.
Attack high-interest debt.
Rates aren't coming down anytime soon.
Every dollar of credit card debt you carry is more expensive today than it was a month ago. History is a cycle. 1973, 2008, 2020. The people who thrive aren't the smartest or the luckiest. They are the ones who recognize the signals and move first.
Most people won't think about any of this until the 5th wave hits their bank account.
Your window to be proactive is open right now. Don't let fear make your decisions for you. Review your budget, fortify your savings, and keep your head in the game. You've navigated uncertainty before. You'll navigate this too. The only question is, are you watching the disruption or are you getting ahead of it?